Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Japan's Nikkei pushed past the 10,000 mark for the first time since the 4th of April, as a weaker yen and growing expectations for near-term monetary easing pushed Japanese stocks higher. The dollar advanced modestly against the yen, rising to 84.30 yen compared with 84.20 late Tuesday in New York, after Japan reported its fifth straight trade deficit in November, its longest streak of monthly decline since 1980s. The data came out one day before the Bank of Japan is set to announce the outcome of its latest policy meeting. The weaker yen combined with still strong post-election sentiment helped push the Nikkei above the 10,000 mark for the first time since the 4th of April. The index was up 1.6% at 10,082.83. Regional markets remain focused on talks to resolve the US fiscal cliff, a set of tax hikes and spending cuts scheduled to come into effect next year. President Barack Obama on Tuesday showed that he was willing to compromise on the level of annual income that could be subject to higher taxes. Australia's ASX 200 rose 0.5% as miners continued to respond well to rising iron ore prices. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index was up 0.7%. In mainland China, the Shanghai Composite dropped 0.2%. South Korean markets were shut Wednesday for the country's presidential election. Today's updates include a fresh read on the mood in Germany among manufacturers, followed by the release of the Bank of England's Monetary Policy Committee minutes and the November profile of housing starts in the US. Germany IFO survey, 9 GMT. Business confidence improved in November, according to last month's update of the IFO Business Climate Index. The modest gain ended 6 months of consecutive losses for this widely watched sentiment metric for Germany's manufacturing and trade sectors. The consensus forecast sees another slight improvement for today's update, which implies that the worst may be over for the recent downgrades in the economic outlook. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.